pieces that we used on the that were used on the other dishwasher. I'm just going to put them on this one. They did have another set of dishwasher connectors on the countertop, but we're not going to use it. It's a little different than this one, and we're going to keep those in the package. Could probably be used later on another dishwasher. These pieces here are fine. I like working with them, and they're easy to work with. You get a lot of plumbers, they use a lot of pipe dope and pipe sealant. This particular water supply line, you don't need that. This is more, you see the red rubber right there, it's just going to squeeze up on the surface of the threads and just seal itself, and you don't have to pipe dope it up or anything like that. This supply line is kind of new to me. It's pretty neat. It's red. I guess it's indicating, the red indicates hot, because that's what you want going into your dishwasher is hot water. So it's pretty neat. I think it must be something new that they came out with, but and of course, when tightening anything to any type of plastic, you do want to take caution. And again, we have that same type of screw. We're going to use our star wrench.